Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, my name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I am participating in a challenge hosted by Mandy in the Making, and it is called the Holiday Dessert Challenge, and I will be making a red velvet trifle. So come along. The supplies that you will need is a baking pan, sheet, trifle bowl, a hand mixer, a bowl, and some parchment paper. So you will also need vanilla, some Philadelphia, some cream cheese. Doesn't have to be Philadelphia, but cream cheese, a whole block, which is about 8 ounces, and then half a cup of white sugar and milk. This is a package of red velvet cake mix, white chocolate, bar of white chocolate, vanilla pudding, and some whipped topping, some oil, I'm using canola, and an egg. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to make my cake mix. Oh, and you will also need some water. I'm going to put this in the oven at 325 for between 25 to 30 minutes. So the next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm going to prepare my pudding. And I'm using the instant pudding. So for pudding you will need 2 cups of cold milk, and then I'm going to add the packet of pudding. And you mix this for about 2 minutes. So I'll let this stand for about 3 minutes, and I'm gonna prepare my cream cheese filling. So for this, you will need full thing of cream cheese, half a cup of sugar, half a tub so about 8 ounces is what you need of the whipping cream, which would be about 1 cup. You will also need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now to finish off the pudding, you will need to add about a cup of whipping cream into it. The last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to shred my chocolate. So my cake is all done. I'm going to cut it. I'm gonna let it cool before I assemble it.
Better.
So the cake is all cooled off, and I'm going to layer it now.
Layer it.
Then I'm gonna go with vanilla pudding.
My favorite.
And then I'm going to put some shaved chocolate. And then another layer of cake. And I'm gonna finish off with more chocolate. To finish it off, you can add some sprinkles. I am going to add these snowflake sprinkles. Here it is, all finished. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would like to thank Mandy for hosting this challenge. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.